I'm talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Possession of marijuana, another ag assault, 23 years old and 14 cases. You're on probation for a third-degree felony, and if you don't do anything, it's not going to go well between you and I. Do you?
The 3 clips you just saw are the sound of a young life hitting a brick wall, a judge at her limit, a list of crimes that won't end, and a final warning that changes everything. Javante Myers-Kearney is only 23, but he's standing before a Harris County judge with 14 prior cases. What started as a dispute over a locked car door led to a smashed windshield and $1,000 in damage. But the real issue? Javante is already on felony probation. Between vague claims about a phone job and shifting stories about his GED, the judge is looking for one thing: a reason to believe he can actually change. To understand the psychological patterns that trap people in the legal system and how judges spot the tell, hit subscribe, and join our community. Let's head back to the beginning of this explosive hearing.
Javante Myers-Kearney. Mr. Myers-Kearney, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
Yes, sir. On October 10th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to an assault in progress in Harris County, Texas. The officer made contact with the complainant. The complainant stated the defendant, her ex-boyfriend, damaged her motor vehicle. The complainant stated she was in an argument with 3 different girls through text, and the defendant did not like that and got very upset. The complainant stated she asked the defendant to go outside to her car to grab some diapers, and the defendant started damaging the motor vehicle due to the motor vehicle not being unlocked. The complainant stated the defendant was smashing the windshield and kicking the doors. The damage was estimated to be approximately $1,000. The officer made contact with the defendant. The defendant stated the complainant doesn't need to press charges as they have a child together and that he is willing to pay for all the damages.
2019, burglar of a motor vehicle. 2022, evading arrest. 22, unlawful carrying of a weapon. 24, ag assault, possession of marijuana. I'm talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Possession of marijuana, another ag assault, another evading arrest, possession of a substance possession of a prohibited substance in a correctional facility, a fugitive case, and now a criminal mischief. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, now 10. How old are you, Mr. Javante Myers-Kearney?
23.
10 cases, and you're 23 years old. I'm sending you for a drug test right now because I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. You must come right back after that drug test. If you fail to go to the drug test, if you fail to come back, I'm going to make your bond so high. Do you understand? You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, not to be in possession of any weapons, or go within 500 feet of.
Your Honor, just so the court's aware, he's currently on probation out of Lumpkin County as well
What?
for engaging in organized criminal activity.
What else does he have at accounting
Kennedy?
staff?
Compliance history right now, Your Honor. Judge, it looks like he had some juvenile history out of Fort Bend for theft.
So that's how much? Okay, so there's 11, 12 for the engaging case. What else?
That looks like it for the actual file cases, Judge.
Yes. Well, because there was also a theft of a firearm in Angleton as well as
13,
a theft of a firearm out of Galveston.
14, 23 years old and 14 cases. You're on probation for a third-degree felony, and now you've picked up a criminal mischief. I'm going to put an ankle monitor and I'm giving you a curfew of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. And I'm going to have you come here twice a week to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol or illegal substances. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
One false move, holy moly. So let's send him for a drug test right now. And then Mr. Myers-Kearney, do you know how hard this life is without money? Do you have any clue?
Sir.
Don't. Because you have no clue. You don't care about your future. But just wait. You've got 14 cases on your background now. All you're doing, you're making your life impossible to live for the next 30 years of your life. Because when people see this, what do you think they're thinking? Do you have a job now?
Yes, sir. I work for my phone. It's just temporary job though. Just
Doing what?
I answer dealing with the voting right now. People that doing the voting. I just answer the call, see if they voting. Answer a couple questions that's on my little list. Ask them a couple questions that's on my little
You're
list.
working for?
It's just my brother's girlfriend. Her name Ebony. She worked at this it's called. I can bring all the paperwork. I can show everything about it. I just forgot the name of it. But I worked through her. This is a temp job for her. Like I basically her assistant, just answering her phone by people that's voting, writing their name down, stuff, giving the information to her so she can file it. And I can bring all the information for you though, just to verify and show you what I actually do. Then I actually had a job working as a temp for Danny's group. If you ever knew what that was, at Igloo out there, Katy. Igloo, just work at that company.
Did you graduate from high school?
No, sir, I got my GED though. I'm working to get my GED right now in my West House.
No. I asked you if you graduated from high school. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Did you get your GED?
We're getting it now. I'm in the process of it right now.
We are going to work on that together right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set your case off and I want you to show me what you have done to get your GED. I'm making that a condition of your bond that you get your GED. And if you don't do anything, it's not going to go well between you and I. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, if we can send them now for a test, you're to come right back. Take a seat for me.
Javante avoided jail today, but he's now under the court's constant surveillance. But here's the real debate. Was the judge right to trade prison time for a mandatory GED? Comment below. Team Javante or Team the Judge? Can education actually break a 14-case cycle of crime? Hit like if this outcome surprised you. Share this with anyone who follows the reality of criminal justice.